it's Guld with Geeks on Tour, and this video is about navigating using Google Maps. Once you've opened Google Maps on your mobile device, the first step is to find your destination. You can type in the search bar, and if it gives you multiple results, just tap on the one that is correct. Then step 2 is to tap the little button that says Directions. It will show you some options. Make sure that your correct travel mode is selected and your starting point is your location. Then tap Start.
Head east toward Northwest 21st Avenue, then turn left onto Northwest 21st Avenue. Head east in a quarter mile, turn left onto Northwest 39th Street. Turn left onto Northwest 39th Street. Continue for 1 mile. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Northwest 31st Avenue. Turn right onto Northwest 31st Avenue. In a quarter mile, make a U-turn at Northwest 50th Street, West Commercial Boulevard.
If you know a better way, you don't have to go the way that Google says.
Your destination is on the left.